Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided that I'm gonna go on a weight loss journey. For those who are new here, my name is Tamika, and recently, I say recently, 5 months ago, almost 6 months, I had a baby. And of course, you know, you gain weight here, there, all the places you don't want it. So I'm like, okay, I need to get rid of this weight one way or another. So I've been walking, and then I decide that I'm gonna go on a 1 month diet. If the month end, I'm giving myself goals, you know, set small goals for yourself. Yeah, so I'm like setting small goals for myself. So I say 1 month, but who knows what's gonna happen after that 1 month. But I don't want to overwhelm myself to say, oh, I'm going on a diet or I'm gonna change the way I eat completely. Take it one step at a time. So let's say it, I'm going on a 1 month diet. So I'm gonna do a grocery haul, and I'm gonna show you guys what I get that's gonna last me for the 1 month and how I'm changing my old eating habit, my old routine. And I'm also gonna do a couple what I eat in a day video throughout the month, so you can see my meal prep and how I go about it. But for today, we are doing a grocery haul. So stay tuned. Okay, so let's start with the breakfast stuff. What would I eat for breakfast? So for breakfast, of course, I bought like fruits. I bought oranges. I bought a couple yogurt. So if you look at this yogurt, it says 0 sugar, 0 artificial sweeteners, and 0 fat. So this yogurt, I'll probably just have like one of these for breakfast. Probably I can even add like fruits to it. I bought a bag of mixed organic fruits. So it has mangoes, strawberries, and blueberries. And also on days that I don't want to have yogurt, I can also make a smoothie in the morning. I bought egg. I also bought these bread. I was searching for like keto bread, didn't see any, but I also bought these bread. These bread are low 6 net carbs, so it's low carbs, low calories, and low fiber. So I'll probably just have 1 slice at each time. And I bought these tomatoes. It's called cherry tomatoes, so it's just like for salad. Because I also bought some vegetables over here. This is a cabbage, so I'm gonna do like a vegetable. And then I have broccoli, and then I have okra. Over here I have some kale, because I love my greens, you know. I also bought some spinach, right? And here I bought some mushrooms, sliced mushrooms, so that I can add to my veggie mix when I'm making my vegetable, right? So I decided that maybe I can do like tacos. So I'm gonna get to the meat in a minute, but I bought some beef. So I bought these that says carb balance. So I'm guessing I didn't see exactly how much carbs is in it. Oh, it says 7%. So I guess it is like low carbs. So that's why I picked it up. I was looking also for the keto one, because I know that they have the keto one. I don't see it in my store, but I grabbed this. You know, it's baby step. I'm just starting, so I'm not even gonna pressure myself. I bought these turkey sausage that I can do for like quick lunch or whatever. This juice, my daughter is killing me to try. It's the naked juice. This is like rich 100% juice. So she's killing me to try that. This is literally one of my favorites. So I've never had it from the jar. I always like have it whenever I like buy pizza. I get it in there. Or if I go to like Subway and I'm making a sandwich, I always let them put jalapeno slices on it. So I'm like, okay, why not just buy myself a jar? So this is the first time I'm buying this, so I'm gonna try this. My daughter was the one who bought this. She said she's gonna make chicken marsala. So that's that. And then this is for the taco. And I think I have some other cheese in the fridge, and that's it. And then I also changed my oil, so I'm using the olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. I bought some lemons. I can put lemon in my water, and I say orange. And this I can also blend with the fruits for my fruit. So over here now I have the meat. Oh, by the way, yes, I also bought 1 tomato, whatever you want to call it. I bought 6 avocado. because we love it. So I can make avocado toast in the morning with that bread, like one slice of bread with avocado for my breakfast. She bought apple. I don't really want any apple. That's my daughter's stuff. So that's that. Now for the meat. I bought 2 packs of ground beef. As you can see, it says 90% lean, 10% fat. So of course, as I say, you just have to eat whatever you're buying in moderation. So I'm still gonna eat these, just that eat it in moderation. I bought some shrimp, y'all. These are wild caught shrimp, meaning that it's sea shrimp, not the one that they grow themselves or whatever you want to call it, but these are wild caught. So I bought these. I can do like some shrimp and broccoli, or shrimp and vegetable, you know, so we'll see. And then bought some chicken. These are some chicken breasts that we can use to do lots of stuff. We can do chicken taco. We can do, as I say, Shamoy says she's gonna do the chicken marsala. So that's all the stuff that I got right here that I'm gonna use to kind of change my diet. To see, this wine is not a part of it. I got this as a gift recently, so it's just there. But yeah, these are the things that I'm so excited for this journey. I really want to see at the end of the month how much weight I am going to lose. I'm literally going to be working out while eating these, and I bought a liquid vitamin that I see everybody's talking about and on the internet. What is that? Why did that just happen? See the light flash? That's crazy. Anyways, so I bought this liquid vitamin that I see everybody raving about on the internet, and they say it helps you to lose weight and some other stuff. It's a pack. It's called a fit pack, and they say it's organic too. So I bought that along with my diet change and exercise. We shall see what my aim is. About 25 pounds. This morning when I weighed it, I was 195, and I want to get to like 170, somewhere thereabout. So let's see if I can get somewhere, if I can get to that goal or somewhere close to that goal at the end of the month. Okay, so just walk with me and we'll see what happens. And as I say, I'm gonna be doing a couple what I eat in a day video throughout the month, so y'all can see literally how I prepare these stuff, different things that I eat in the morning, and we'll go on the journey together. So stick around. Okay, this was literally a little short video. I hope you enjoy. Be on the lookout for those what I eat in a day video, because you don't want to miss them, especially if you're on a journey too. Guys, come on, it's a time to not only just lose weight but to get fit. You know, you want to be fit, you want to be on the healthy side, so just do it, you know, just do it. So let's see what happens. I'm excited. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, okay? Hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video, okay? And I'll see you in the next one.